Africans got pregnant when the Europeans came, when the ships arrived, the women who got pregnant, they freed them. They built some houses for them in Elmina town. They kept those women and they gave them food, everything. When they gave birth, after 3 years, they brought the children with the light skin into those castles for education. Because they knew that those children were them. So the Europeans never allowed those children with the light skin to suffer. This is a cannonball. And there were 8 of them here during that time. They used these things to punish some women. They have chains on them, 1 chain and 1 on the other side. I told you not long ago that the soldiers and the pastors were also raping the women. But they were doing that in the 90s. But sometimes, if the soldiers want to rape or they wanted to rape, some women here refused. So the women who resisted, they brought them to the yard. They chained them to the legs or the ankle. They would stand for a day, raining, shining, they would be here because they refused to rape. They were doing that to put fear in another woman. Yes, so that the next day, whenever the soldiers go there, nobody will struggle with them. If you look at this one, this are they had a door here. You have some at home here, they had a door there. This, that the doors going inside. So the ones with the bars, the source of light for the form, where they prepare here to breathe. So we have finished with the feeling section. So let's please continue.